Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Let they do and take deceive you, make you know say that their plan deal. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu, giving Nnamdi Kanu to us. Releasing that. Why have they not been crying for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all this while? Why? Now the question where we go to ask ourselves, why? Why be say all of a sudden they do like people who just wake up now, say now like yesterday night they come kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now so they behave like say Nnamdi Kanu they just kidnap and this yesterday night we just daybreak. You see how human beings they behave? You see? So that will tell you how mean how mean where these people they. Soludo now in they do politics. Whoever, no surprise if Tinubu tomorrow go see you say releasing Nnamdi Kanu, like injustice. If people go tell you releasing Nnamdi Kanu, when I go into power, me and the politicians go talk. Where I see that video? Aye. Where did I see that Soludo? There is something Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said about P2B that you need to hear. But anytime I bring it up, you will see it. I'm going to look for it as this program continues. We go on. So Soludo is only closed door for me. What is it? Are they life, huh? Yeah. So my people, I did sorry for that small interruption. So I go let us see the explanation and the reason why. Constitutionally, Soludo no fit Bellam. No governor fit Bellam. No governor fit Bell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One, let's assume say na Bell in the one Bellam. They no go Bellam. Nobody fit say give him under my control, under my power, under my jurisdiction, under my governorship, this, that, my immune, my Soludo they claim. Give him to me. I will stand shorty, or shorty, anyone they call him. Nami go Bellam, Nami go do that one, Nami go do that one. There is proof that Soludo is not serious. Soludo is only doing something which I call political campaign. Okay, let's send the video with this. Thank God say I see him. I believe say name. Make a check say for the name. No, sorry. Good name. Make I share them. Make I bring them in. Make you see what they tell you. I want you all to know that who no like you, no like you. There is no how somebody will kill your mama, kill your papa, kill your brothers. It remain only you. You manage escape. Finally, this person could come tell you, say, in love you. My brother, run. Those are politicians. And anything you see them do, now for their own benefit, not be for your own benefit. I want you to listen to this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu audio. As in go talk, your voice. Just listen.
When you were governor, you killed us. When you're president, you drop bomb from you tell Nigeria first to go and bomb our villages now. You think we are not sensible? Come and campaign. None of you. But of course, Biafra will come before that. None of you will smell that place. Your wickedness, all of you, all these idiots, we want to fight for you, president. You are in cloud cuckoo land. We are waiting for you to bring out your campaign vehicle on the streets of Biafra and Chilika or walk. Then you know how angry we are. If you want to be president, join us and fight for Biafra. When Biafra comes, you contest to be the Biafran president. It will be the most prestigious office in Africa. Fools, you think we are foolish?
You hear them? The same person will kill you. Or just go still come out to tell you, say, make me president, I will give you Biafra. And some fools go believe them. You know, say, some of you, we Biafrans, some of us Biafrans, no, say, Soludo key people for nature. Soludo key people from war. Some Soludo kill so many people, throw them inside water. And then the worst part, where many don't know, Soludo bury people alive. And he get out to go to national television, go to tell people, say, he know they inside the country. As you enter inside the country, what you can't do now? Did you investigate the matter? If no be you, Soludo do am. When you enter, you foresee who do this thing, who be the police commander, we do this thing, who be the army commander, we do this thing, who send you to kill people, who send you to bury people alive, who send you to kill people and throw inside water. Ah, no be Soludo, Peter Obi, sorry, Peter Obi, no be Soludo, they call Soludo, no be Soludo. Now Peter Obi at the talk. Now Peter Obi at the talk, forgive me. So Peter Obi, let's assume you know they inside the country. I see claim, oh, no problem for me. I don't get problem with that one. But my question is this: if he know they inside the country when they kill the people, when they kill, when he enter, what did he do? Did the Peter Obi do the investigation? No. To any of the family members of the people where they bury alive, where they kill, where they throw inside river, where they kill, to where the body inside the bush? No. You know, Simon said, I be the thing say Simon they more mean pass onye do. If onye do they outside, he won't be say no campaign. You no go do campaign, make it remain. Make you listen again, because
when you were governor, you killed us. When you're president and you drop bomb from you tell Nigeria Air Force to go and bomb.
When you were governor, you killed us. Who was he talking to? Peter Obi. When you were governor, you killed us. I think this was happening in 2019. Yeah. When you were governor, you kill us, all of us. You want to finish every Biafran because we carry flag. Then when they make you president, what you will do?
We are governor, you killed us. When you're president and you drop bomb from you tell Nigeria Air Force to go and bomb our villages now. You think we are not sensible? Come and campaign.
Of course. Because he don't promise Fulani people, say he go defend them. He go defend the constitution. Whatever they want, he go. Hey, Ogodoman, long time. Ogodoman, long time. Ogodoman, invite me for your program. Make we do program one day now. Invite me. Make we do program for you. With you one day. My greetings. So, Biafrans, Nnamdi Kanu, nothing where we they do now, where you see someone they do now, where Nnamdi Kanu no do. Nnamdi Kanu be in the position, Nnamdi Kanu be there for the position where we say, you no go even campaign in Biafra land. Nnamdi Kanu stand on the position where we say, there will not be campaign in Biafra land. I want you to listen again now. Listen. From what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying here, there will not be election in Biafra land.
When you were governor, you killed us. When you're president and you drop bomb from you tell Nigeria Air Force to go and bomb our villages now. You think we are not sensible? Come and campaign. You don't have.
Come and campaign. That means come and the campaign and make we see you. That means Nnamdi Kanu is even, we are even talking of no election. All these Umo Koko are making noise. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying you should not even campaign. We are talking, we are saying and shouting, proclaiming, preaching, no campaign. And Umo Koko are calling us names. Umo Koko are saying we want to kiss we want to kill Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is even telling you that you cannot have election in Biafra. You cannot even have campaign in Biafra land, not to talk of election.
None of you, but of course Biafra will come before that. None of you will smell that place. Your wickedness, all of you, all these idiots, we want to fight for your president. You are in cloud cuckoo land. We are waiting.
They are all in cloud cuckoo land. That is what Onyedu said. Cloud cuckoo. Me, I don't know what in that one mean. Cloud cuckoo. Cloud cuckoo land. Blessed Chuku, what you mean? Explain what you mean. He will do what? He will not stand it under what? Which killing? Which killing reached the one where they kill for Operation Python dance 1, 2, 3? Which killing reached the Onyedu will not stand it as how? Make you know talk waiting go make me verse, yeah.
serious. We want to fight for Igbo president. You are in cloud cuckoo land. We are.
When you do say that all of them, obedience, all of them, Tinu Jagaba, all of them, Atikunku, they are in cloud Tiku. In cloud. Wait, make I the one again. Oh, grammar.
Igbo president, you are in cloud cuckoo land.
Wow.
We are waiting for you to bring out your campaign vehicle on the streets of Biafra.
They are all in cloud cuckoo land.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time, we still remain progressing and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.